sa evaluating functions, tingin tayo dito. Ito yung input natin. Tapos, ito yung output natin. Tapos, ayan yung mga variables sa output natin. So, sa evaluating functions, we are just going to substitute the value of our input doon sa variables ng ating output. So, substitute natin siya dyan. Okay? So, ayun. Let's say we have here f of x. F of x is equal to 2x. Tapos, meron daw tayong input na positive 4. Kunwari lang. So, ibig sabihin, si positive 4, isa-substitute mo siya doon sa value ng x. So, that would be 2 times positive 4. Then, 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. So, ganyan mag-evaluate ng functions. Ha? So, ang pinagkaiba lang dito sa examples natin is nilagyan ko ng operation para lang alam natin kung paano siya gagana kapag addition, subtraction, multiplication, pati ng division. Okay? So, before starting solving, bago tayo mag-start mag-solve, we have here 3 functions, diba? Function f, function g, function h. So, the technique na I would give when evaluating functions is to evaluate separately. Huwag yung ipagdidikit nyo agad yung dalawang function tapos tsaka kayo magsasolve. Kasi, it may cause confusion lalo kapag mahaba na yung function. Let's say, kunwari, meron tayo ditong, diba, quadratic function. E, paano kung function siya with a degree of 4? E, di medyo mahaba yun. So, that's the point of solving separately. Okay? So, what do I mean by solving separately? Let's start with number 1 first. We have here function f plus function h of positive 2. Ibig sabihin, function f has an input of positive 2, and that is being added to function h of positive 2. So, isa-solve daw muna natin si f of 2 at saka si h of 2. Tapos yung sagot, ipapag-add natin, then that's our final answer for number 1. Okay? So, let's have f of 2 first. This is solving for f of 2. F of 2 is, we are going to use yung function na f of x. Okay, kasi ano siya function f. So, f of x is equal to x minus 4x plus 4. Okay, pwede nyo siyang ganito ilagay sa solution nyo sa test. Tapos, f of positive 2 is equal to, substitute natin si positive 2 sa mga x na output natin. So, 2 squared minus 4 multiplied to positive 2 plus 4. Tapos, 2 squared, that is positive 4. And then, negative 4 times positive 2, that is negative 8. Tapos, copyan ko lang si positive 4. Ayan. And then, we have here 4 minus 8 plus 4. So, 4 minus 8, that is negative 4. Plus 4, that is 0. Okay? Therefore, we have f of 2 is equal to 0. Okay? Tapos, hatiin natin yung side. Dito naman tayo kay h of 2. So, ang h ay function h. Ayan siya. So, substitute natin si positive 2 doon sa x. So, susulat ko muna kung ano yung function h. H of x is equal to x plus 5. Tapos, papalitan natin si x ng positive 2. Okay? And then, same goes with this one. Tapos, pwede na kayo mag-solve. 2 plus 5, that is positive 7. And that is our answer for h of 2. Okay, pero di pa tayo tapos. i-add pa natin sila kasi naka-add siya. Okay? So, yan. Dito naman tayo sa pag-add na. F of 2 plus h of 2 is equal to, kunin nyo yung sagot nyo dito sa f of 2, which is si 0. Tapos, add nyo sa sagot nyo sa h of 2, which is si 7. 0 plus 7 is equal to positive 7. Therefore, this is now our final answer for number 1. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa number 2. We have here function g minus function h of negative 4. So, solve muna natin siya separately. So, g of negative 4, tapos, ma-minus daw natin siya sa h of negative 4. Ayan. Tapos, kukunin ulit natin yung function nila parehas. Tapos, we're going to solve them separately. Okay? So, dito muna tayo kay function g. Function g is equal to 3x minus 6. So, kopyahin ko muna siya. Dito tayo kay g of negative. Okay? So, g of x is equal to 3x minus 6. Ayan. Tapos, yung value ng x natin is negative 4. So, lalagay ko lang siya dyan. And then, substitute natin si negative 4 kay x. So, ayan. Yun yung itsura niya. Next, positive 3. Okay, solve na tayo. Positive 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12 minus 6. And negative 12 minus 6 is equal to negative 18. Okay, so that is our value for g of negative 4. Ayan, meron na tayo sagot. Next, kay h of negative 4 naman tayo. So, h of negative 4. Going back to the list of functions, we have here h of x is equal to x plus 5. So, kakopyahan ko lang siya dito para lang hindi kayo malito or hindi kayo mawala. So, x plus 5. Then, since the value of x is equal to negative 4, substitute ko siya dito sa lahat ng may x. So, negative 4 plus 5. Okay? So, solve ko. Negative 4 plus 5, that is positive 1. Therefore, h of negative 4 is equal to positive 1. Okay? Tapos, pwede na tayo mag-subtract kasi meron na tayong value ng g of negative 4 at saka value ng h of negative 4. So, g of negative 4 minus h of negative 4. Yan. Tapos, ang value ng g of negative 4 natin ay negative 18. Tapos, yung value ng ating h of negative 4 is positive 1. Ayan. Tapos, negative 18 minus 1, kasi multiply dito. This would become negative 19. Therefore, our final answer for number 2 is negative 19. Okay? So, you can try number 3 and number 4 on your own, but if you guys are confident pa, you guys can solve with me. Same pa rin naman yung process, it's just that naiiba lang yung operation niya. Number 3 is multiplication, kasi dot siya. Okay? So, ganun pa din, solve separately. We have here g of negative 1, and then multiply daw natin siya kay h of negative 1. Okay? So, dito muna tayo kay g of negative 1. Okay, babalik tayo sa list of function natin. Function g is equal to 3x minus 6. So, kopyahan ko lang dito. G of x is equal to 3x minus 6. Tapos, since the value of x is negative 1, substitute natin si negative 1 sa lahat ng x ng function natin. Ayan. And then, solve. positive 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3 minus 6. Okay? Negative 3 minus 6, that's 2, negative 9. Therefore, the answer of, therefore, G of negative 1 is equal to negative 9. Sorry, lutang na ako. Ayan. So, this is the value of G of negative 1. Okay. Dito naman tayo kay H of negative 1. So, ang value ng function H natin x plus 5. So, H of x is equal to x plus 5. Tapos, since the value of x is equal to negative 1, so substitute natin si negative 1 sa lahat ng x. So, negative 1 plus 5. And then, solve na natin. Negative 1 plus 5, that is positive 4. So, that is our value for H of negative 1. Okay? So, since meron na tayong value ng G of negative 1 at saka H of negative 1, pwede na natin siya i-multiply sa isa't isa. So, we have here G of negative 1 times H of negative 1. Ang value ng G of negative 1 natin ay si negative 9. And then, multiply daw natin siya kay positive 4. Then, negative 9 times positive 4, that is negative 36. Therefore, our final answer for number 3 is negative 36. O, diba? Ganun lang siya. Madali lang siya. Just have to be careful with substituting. That's it. Okay? Last, we have here division. So, function G is being divided by is being divided to function H of positive 3. So, ibig sabihin, G of positive 3 divided by H of positive 3. Okay? So, solve rin tayo separately, syempre, para hindi tayo malito. Dito muna tayo kay G of positive 3. Function G is, G of x is equal to 3x minus 6. Okay? Galing siya dito sa lista. Ayan. Tapos, ang function H naman natin ay x plus 5. Mamaya na yan. So, since the value of x in example number 4 is positive 3, isa-substitute natin si positive 3 sa lahat ng x ng ating function. So, 3 times 3 minus 6. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9 minus 6, and then 9 minus 6 is equal to positive 3. That is for G of 3. Next, dito naman tayo kay H of 3. Function H is H of x is equal to x plus 5. Tapos, since ang value ng input natin, aka yung value ng x natin ay positive 3, isa-substitute natin si positive 3 doon sa x ng function natin. So, h of 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Next, 3 plus 5, that is positive 8. Therefore, h of positive 3 is equal to positive 8. Okay? So, since meron na tayong value ng h of 3 at saka meron na rin tayong value ng G of 3 natin, pwede na tayong mag-divide. Okay? So, G of positive 3 divided by H of positive 3. Ang value ng G of 3 natin, G of positive 3 is equal to 3. Tapos, ang value ng H of 3 natin is 8. So, since hindi naman na ito pwedeng i-simplify pa, edi this is our final answer na. Okay? So, our final answer for number 4 is equal to 3 over 8. Okay? So, ganyan lang mag-evaluate ng functions. Okay?